Another great chart to look at kung nagpaplano kayang bumili or magbenta ng condo is yung condo completions ngayong dito sa Greater Toronto area. And ang source natin is Edge Realty. So kung makikita nyo, ngayong 2024, dumami ng about more than 25,000 units ang lalabas na condo completions. Sa 2025, about more than 40,000. 2026, more than 30,000, 2027, more than 15,000, and then sa 2028 ay nasa around 5,000 condo completions. So, ano yung significance nito if you're planning to buy or sell your condo apartment dito sa Greater Toronto area? So, remember, these are new condo units na lalabas sa market, right? So, in the next 2 years, medyo maraming units, bagong units ang lalabas sa market. So, ito ay mag-a-add sa supply ng units dito sa real estate market natin, dito sa GTA. And, pagka maraming supply and less demand, prices tend or may go down. Now, kabaliktaran naman, if there's less supplies and there's more demand, prices may go up, right? So, bakit less ang demand? Currently, ay dahil ito sa mataas na interest rates. And now na yung Bank of Canada is slowly cutting interest rates, will it stimulate the market? It may, right? It is yet to be seen kung yung buyers or yung demand tataas ulit. Personally, I have few clients na nagpapa-pre-approve na sila to buy their first home or yung mag-upgrade ng kanilang property or bumili ng investment property. So, itong mga stats na ito is one of the many tools or resources na pwede nyong gamitin before kayo magbenta ng condo apartment nyo or bumili. And guys, I hope you find this video helpful at maraming salamat for watching. Thank you.